While you were stuck in the standard cycle of ordering, waiting, and eating, Serve Robotics surpassed its goal of 2,000 autonomous sidewalk delivery robots on time, on plan, and on budget in 2025. So while you and the bros get ready to dig into the latest mystery meal, let's survey the extent of the fleet's reach, as well as examine the progress of preparing other ingredients involved in scaling autonomous last-mile logistics. The nearly 20-fold growth of the robot fleet in roughly a year has taken place in tandem with growing partnerships with national and local restaurant brands, retailers, and delivery platforms, namely Uber Eats and DoorDash, which together provide access to more than 80% of the U.S. food delivery market. Serve's accelerated rollout across major U.S. markets covered cities like Los Angeles, Atlanta, Dallas-Fort Worth, Chicago, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and Alexandria, Virginia, with more cities planned throughout 2026. Meaning Serve is on course to follow the familiar pattern of rapid scaling and revenue growth, alongside continued heavy investment and near-term losses, likely similar to its last quarter, which reported revenue of $687,000, up 209% year-over-year from $222,000, and broadly in line with expectations. Delivery volume rose 66% sequentially, reflecting expanding fleet utilization. However, losses widened, with EPS of -$0.40 compared with -$0.24 from the same period a year ago, as the company continued to invest aggressively in scaling. Serve can keep funding heavy investment as it ended that last quarter with approximately $210 million in liquidity and subsequently strengthened its position with an additional $100 million equity raise in October, giving it substantial runway to fund growth. While geographic expansion grows Serve's footprint to more regions, it also deepens its reach to more than 3,600 restaurants nationwide, supported by deeper relationships with partners like Shake Shack and Little Caesars, and new additions like Jersey Mike's. Most notably, Serve's new multi-year partnership with DoorDash complements its existing Uber Eats relationship. The partnership with DoorDash increases the volume of orders available to Serve's robots, tapping into the DoorDash user base and merchant network, while gaining some much-needed diversification. Before, Serve had exclusively partnered with Uber Eats, since it did originate as a spin-off from Uber in 2021. Aside from sheer growth, Serve is becoming more efficient by increasing daily supply hours as utilization keeps going up with new markets coming online. Then, to improve cost even more further down the line, Serve invested heavily in the acquisitions of Vayu for AI foundation model autonomy and Phantom Auto for ultra-low latency teleoperation, helping to reduce data and operating costs over time while improving reliability and unit economics. While these investments pressure near-term profitability, management believes they are essential to building a scalable, defensible platform. Management framed the current losses as a deliberate trade-off to establish national leadership in sidewalk robotics, positioning the company for what it sees as a long-term opportunity to deploy hundreds of thousands and eventually millions of robots globally. So while near-term financial losses remain a concern, Serve's outlook centers on rapid scaling, strong liquidity, expanding partnerships, and confidence that today's investments will translate into significant revenue growth beginning in 2026. Hey, it's 2026 now. As we wait to see how those expectations play out, remember to enjoy your food, and for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.